Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge two boards into one. So the pins from that board will be transferred to your other board, I guess. It will delete the board you have though, so keep that in mind. So select your profile page like this. For instance, I want to move the retro outfits into outfits. So I'm just going to select it and I'm going to place it in there. Then you're going to select move pins and delete board. And as you can see, when you open outfits, the retro outfits will be in that board like so. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is pretty much it. That's how you can merge boards on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!